Ditch the content chaos and transform Asana into your content planning powerhouse. First, create a new project in Asana. Name it something clear, like Content Calendar 2024 or Blog Content Strategy. Choose the board layout for a visual Kanban-style workflow now. Craft your sections. Think of these as your content phases. Idea backlog is where you'll dump all your brilliant sparks. Next, have an in-progress section for content actively being worked on, a review for items needing approval, and a final publish section for finished pieces. Time to populate your board. Each piece of content becomes a task. Click a task under the idea backlog column and type in the title of your blog post, social media update, or video script. Open the task and add a detailed description including the topic, target audience, keywords, and a brief outline. Utilize custom fields to track vital information like content type, blog, video, social, or the platform is intended for Instagram, LinkedIn, website. Color code these fields for quick visual identification. Assign tasks to team members, writers, designers, editors, and set realistic deadlines. Asana's calendar view provides a clear overview of your content schedule. Drag and drop tasks to reschedule or just priorities. Use the dependencies feature to link tasks together, ensuring a smooth workflow. For example, a blog post can't be published until it's been reviewed and approved. Asana's communication features keep everyone on the same page. Use the comment section within each task to provide feedback, ask questions, and share updates. Attach relevant files, documents, images, videos directly to the task for easy access. Tag team members to notify them of specific comments or actions needed. Finally, track your progress. Asana's reporting features provide valuable insights into your content performance. Monitor task completion rates, identify bottlenecks, and adjust your strategy accordingly. With Asana, you'll transform from overwhelmed to organized, creating consistent and engaging content that drives results. Now go forth and conquer your content goals.